This is a budgie little helicopter kiddie ride, and I believe this is the best conditioned budgie kiddie ride V1 that is open filmed. Here you go. Well, I'm not sure. I put it in. Oh. Yo, let me try again. I'll put in a pound. Right.
Take that bugger as well. Tight bugger.
I don't think the coin went far enough in. It just... I know.
I'll see a bit, Princess.
I see what's wrong. We need to push the coin through. I know how I could do that. Here we I'll get this through. Here we go. This should work now.
Going now.
He should.
There's a 50p though.
I'll try to get that out. Let me try putting in the pound harder. And this time I'll hold the money box. Like that.
Hang on a minute.
That would give us 3 rides, but... Can I put another picture? I think that went through this time. Just wait for the start button message. Oh, I think I got it through. Because I noticed some kind of coin sound. Oh, he got our coins back. Let's try again.
So that pound came back.
It must not take those coins.
No.
Does anyone have a 50p?
No, because I gave him my coins.
Keep trying. But this was one of the rides I was most looking forward to filming. I'll try again. Let me try this one. I'll try this coin one more time. I'll try this one more time. Oh, that time he just... We'll try and get him to work. I think something went through that time.
Try at the start,
You should say please press the start button if it's working. Or if not enough money is put in, please insert another coin.